Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and as I stated in part one, if you didn't learn in part one, if you didn't watch part one, you need to watch it. We found out that resampling doesn't always help us. This was resampled at 300 dots per inch. This one was just at 72. Now we're going to finish this, so I'm going to get rid of everything we don't need, and that one will work. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Whoop. I need to group it together, Control G and hit P. So all my parts, we don't need the yellow box anymore. So now we're going to finish this key out. And this is the one we've cleaned up. And this is the one that you can see double lines and stuff. And we're going to clean all this stuff up. But we're only going to clean up half of it. And I'll show you why in just a second. I'm going to draw a straight line holding down the Control key and hit P. I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key. I'm going to delete that side of the drawing. Now we can get rid of this line. And now we want to clean this up. Make it a little bit more symmetrical. We're going to take if you have X7 or above, you'll have the smoothing tool. But we're going to use the shape tool. Click on a node. Okay, I need to ungroup it for the nodes to work, or for you to be able to change them. And we're just going to kind of change this up a little bit, make it look a little bit more symmetrical, maybe bring this in, maybe take away that node, these couple of nodes, these nodes for sure. And then you'll see right here, and it all depends on what you want your drawing to be. That worked better than I thought it was going to work. Take the smoothing tool and let's just smooth this out. And you can see there was another double line there. So we can just click on it and delete it. Now I could go through here and spend a lot of time redoing it better. Basically, you could draw an E and make that better than it is, but you get the idea of what we're doing right here. I'm just making this a little bit smoother. As long as you don't mess up these two lines too much. Now we are going to Control D and make a duplicate of it. And we're going to hold down the control button while we're moving it, and it's going to transplant it over there. But I failed to make a duplicate of this, Control D. And what we're going to do then, hold down the shape tool, or hold down the shift tool and grab both of them, and then hold down the control button. And now we got both of them. Now we just need to make sure we don't have any leaks, and we don't. So this should be good to go if we use the Smart Fill tool. And voila, we have a symmetrical set of keys, and they're even in every way. It's a lot. I mean, now this is a vector file. Looks pretty good. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.